Welcome to this comprehensive guide on CDN architecture. CDN stands for Content Delivery Network. In this video, we'll explore how content delivery networks work, why they're essential for modern web services, and how they help deliver content faster to users around the world. A CDN, or Content Delivery Network, is a geographically distributed network of servers that delivers web content to users from locations closest to them. Instead of serving all content from a single origin server, CDNs use multiple servers spread across different regions. This approach provides three major benefits. First, faster content delivery through reduced latency. Second, improved reliability and network resilience, ensuring your service stays online even during traffic spikes. And third, reduced bandwidth consumption and server load on your origin server. The basic CDN workflow is straightforward. When a user requests content, that request goes to the nearest edge server in the CDN network. If the content already exists locally on that edge server, it's served immediately. If not, the edge server fetches the content from the origin server, caches it for future requests, and then delivers it to the user. This intelligent caching mechanism ensures that subsequent requests for the same content are served much faster from the edge location. CDNs maintain edge locations across multiple global regions including North America, Europe, Asia-Pacific, South America, Africa, and the Middle East. The origin server is your primary content repository, typically located in one or a few data centers. Edge servers, on the other hand, are strategically placed closer to end users. This geographic distribution ensures that no matter where your users are located, there's always a nearby server ready to serve content quickly, reducing travel time across the internet. CDNs use several intelligent caching strategies to optimize content delivery. TTL-based caching sets an expiration time for content, such as caching images for 24 hours. Purge on demand allows you to manually invalidate cached content when you make updates, like after publishing a new article. Query string handling controls caching based on URL parameters, so different versions of content can be cached separately. Finally, geographic caching applies different cache policies per region, allowing shorter cache times for frequently changing content in some regions while caching longer in others. The complete content distribution flow involves 6 key steps. First, a user makes a request for content. Second, DNS resolution determines which CDN edge server should handle the request. Third, the system looks up the content on the edge server. Fourth, it checks for a cache hit or cache miss. Fifth, if content is cached, it's served immediately from the edge server. If not, it's fetched from the origin. Finally, the request is logged and monitored for performance analytics. The result is content delivered from the nearest edge server, significantly reducing latency and improving user experience. CDNs deliver substantial performance improvements. Reduced latency is achieved by serving content from the nearest geographic location, resulting in 50 to 80% faster load times. Improved throughput comes from higher bandwidth availability at edge nodes, delivering downloads 3 to 5 times faster. Bandwidth savings reduce data transfer from your origin servers by 60 to 70%, lowering infrastructure costs. Additionally, CDNs provide DDoS protection through their distributed network architecture, which shields your origin server from direct attacks by absorbing and filtering malicious traffic across multiple locations. CDN architecture follows a multi-tiered hierarchical model. Tier 1 is your origin server, the primary content repository. Tier 2 consists of regional hubs that aggregate content from the origin. Tier 3 is where edge nodes are deployed, distributed across multiple locations for fast access. Tier 4 represents end users accessing the network. This hierarchical structure ensures efficient content replication, provides redundancy so services remain available even if some nodes fail, and optimizes routing so requests always reach the best available server. The result is a robust, scalable infrastructure that serves billions of requests daily. CDNs power many critical internet services. Video streaming platforms like YouTube, Netflix, and TikTok rely on CDNs to deliver HD and 4K video content without buffering to billions of users worldwide. Mobile app stores use CDNs to distribute app updates and installations at scale. E-commerce websites serve product images and static assets through CDNs for faster browsing experiences. Finally, CDNs provide security infrastructure with DDoS mitigation and attack protection. Companies like Cloudflare and Akamai have built entire businesses around providing these CDN and security services to protect websites from cyber threats. Let's recap the essential concepts about CDN architecture. CDNs distribute content globally to reduce latency and enable faster delivery to users anywhere in the world. Edge servers cache content closer to users, significantly improving performance and user experience. Strategic caching policies balance content freshness with performance optimization, ensuring you serve up-to-date content quickly. CDNs provide important security benefits, including DDoS protection and attack mitigation. Finally, implementing a CDN results in significant bandwidth savings and reduces the load on your origin servers, making your infrastructure more efficient and cost-effective. CDNs are essential infrastructure for modern distributed systems powering the internet.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.